Okay, now we are in business in the recording on.
Last. Tadi, tela len mangbo duk. Len mangbo duk. There are a lot of answers here. So today we're gonna practice read and make question out of the answer. Okay? Let's try this. Okay? Linda. Yeah. Tambo normala inda normala. Normala tashi da lake.
Tashi telek kila.
Lasu debu imbe kira.
Nga te boyin, kerang te boyin be.
Nga yang debu yin tuji che. Tata kirang kapar yu.
Nga kangpa la ye.
Tata nga kangpa la yu. Yang kyab sundang.
Nga tata kangpa la ye.
That's it. Inda. Tilo ta normala.
Nga tensing yin.
Ta tiwa laptang. Question.
Kerang su yin.
Fail. That's it.
Nga pone yin. Kerang kane yin.
That's it.
Nge dokpo ming nimare. Kerang dokpo ming karere.
Kirang mari. Kirang ki. Chokpe ming.
Kerang ki dokpo ming karere.
That's it. Kirang ki. Ako sunga.
Kong ki dokpo ming tashire. Kong ki dokpo ming karere.
That's it.
Pera yak mang po yore. Pera yak mang po rebe.
Yang sungtang.
Pera yak mang po yorebe.
That's it. You repeat. That's it.
Ngara tep mang po yu. Kerang la tep mang po yobe.
That's it. Yago lapsa. Okay.
Tata nge dokpo kya la yore.
That's it.
Tata kerang ki dokpo kapar yore.
That's it. Kapar mare. Kapar.
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 That's it. Kapar yore.
Kapar yore.
That's it. Tilotang.
Kong nimare.
That's it.
Kong sure.
That's it.
Tepti kongire. Tepti kongirebe.
Or
Tepti sure.
su mare.
Sure.
No, that's it. Tap the su.
Sure. Nara nukume. Kerang la nuku yobe.
That's it. Yobe. That's it.
Shimiti kamkin nang latu. Shimiti kapar latu.
You don't have
kapar
to. That's it. Kapar. This ra is same as la. Ako sunga. It says la. Shimidi kaparduk. Like this. Well. Ni?
Kosong. Data nga kya kalayo.
That's it. Ni?
Data kerang kapar yu.
That's it. Tata kerang kapar yu. Pe ako. Normal la tujiche. Ako lapso.
Tuchishela.
Laso. Ya, tadi ni Sonia la inda. Sonia la.
Na tensing ye.
Ye mare.
Sorry, nga tensin yin.
That's it.
Kierang su yin.
That's it.
Okay.
Kerang Suyin. That's it.
Su yin. Yeah.
Hmm?
Nga pöne yin.
Mhm.
Kierang kane yin.
That's it. Kerang Kaneyin. That's it.
Ne trokmö ming ni mare.
Mhm.
Kierang ki trokmö ming karere.
That's it. Fair. Hmm?
Kong ki trokmö ming tashire.
That's it.
Kong trokmö ki ming karere.
That's it. Hmm?
Kong la
Onga Mare. Pöla.
Pöla, sorry.
Mhm.
Pöla yak mangpo yöre.
That's it.
Pöla yak mangpo yörepe.
That's it. Very big. Very good. Good try. Yeah. In the,
Nala tep mangpo yö.
that's it.
Kerang la tep mangpo repe.
No, you pay. You pay. Huh?
Yöpe.
Huh? That's it.
Tata ne trok me
Oh, get hopo. Panaru.
troppo, yeah, troppo
Uh-huh.
ki
Kima.
gyakala yure.
That's it. Tata nge tropo kyakarla yure. That's it.
Tata kirang ki troppo gyakala yurepe.
Very good. Now let's use question word instead of yurepe.
Kapar yu.
That's it. Kapar yure or kapar yure. That's it. Very good.
But
Okay.
yu is also okay for the third person, huh?
Yeah. No problem.
Only, yeah. Okay. Kong nimare.
Mhm.
Kong sure.
That's it. Very good. Mhm.
Tepti konkire.
That's it. Very good.
Tepti
Mhm.
karere.
Mare.
Tepti kongre. Tepti sure.
That's it. Sure. If you just say su is who. If you say su, whose. Ruba.
Who's?
Hakosunge. Right?
Nangla.
Nala.
I forgot this name. Sorry, Nala, and then this is Kyuku.
Sa matama yatanya. That's it.
Nyuku was cow, or was this?
Nyuku.
Pencil?
Pen.
Pen. Okay. Okay, I forgot this word. Nala Nyuku me.
Mhm.
Nyuku me. Kierang la Nyuku Marepe? Ne.
Me is opposite of you, right? That's it.
Ah, Yure. Kierangla Kyuku Yure.
That's statement. That's not a question.
Yurepe.
You repay or you pay. Agosma. You
Ah,
pay.
okay.
You pay. Kerang la nyuku you pay. Kerang la private jet you pay. Like it. Agosma. Oh yeah.
Mm.
Yanker sungtang. Yanker sungtang.
Ngala Kyuku Me.
Mm-hmm.
Kierangla Kyuku Yupe.
That's it. Mala nyuku mangpo you. Like this. Or me. Agosma. Hmm. That's it.
Shimidi Gamki Nangla Duk.
That's it. Shimidi gamki nangla duk. That's it.
Shimidi Kapadu.
That's it. That's it. Yanker in there. Yanker.
Shimidi Gamki Kapaduk.
Oh, you can just say kaparduk. Okay.
Mhm.
You can say
Oh,
gamki kaparduk. Where side of box. Like this. No problem. Agosma.
Mm.
Or you can just say shimidi kaparduk.
Kapaduk.
Hmm? That's it. Yeah.
Tata na Yagarla Yö.
That's it.
Tata Kirang Kappa Yö.
That's it. Yeah, what you song. That's it. Sonyala. That's it. Hmm? Very good. Tujiche Sonyala. We did well. Very well. So, yeah, that dine Apollina la in the Apollina la. Yeah. Trashi Delek. Trashi Delek Rangi, yeah, di chiglo ne triwa laptang.
Kongi drupu ming ashire. Kongi drupu ming garire.
Oh, yeah. Ni di?
Dhata nge drupu gyaghar la yure. Dhata kerangi drupu kapar yure.
That's it. Kapar yore. There. Hola. Tilo tam.
Depti kongi re. Depti sure.
There. Curious. There. Oh, yeah. Di?
Shimidi gamgi nangla dug. Shimidi gamgi nangla duge.
Or?
Or shimidi kapar dug.
That's it. Kapar duk.
Wait.
Akosma. Okay. Very good. Tujiche. Ani Tujiche Apollina la. Tujiche. Yeah, dine. Nicolela in the Nicolela. Oh,
Lagenla.
Nicolela di lorona. Yeah.
Kirangi drogpamin karere, ne drogpamin nimare.
Yeah. Last one. Di.
Data kirangi drogpo kapar yore. Data ne drogpo gyagarla yore.
That's it. 빼고. 딜로탕.
Jimmy D kaparduk. Jimmy D gamgi nangladuk.
That's it. 지 말라봐. 시 라봐. 시.
Shi.
어,
Shimi. Shimi.
샤키.
Shimi. Shimi.
오예. 빼고. 야골랍소. 드네 딜로로나.
Data kirang kapar yo. Data na gyagarla yo.
That's it. 야골랍소. 도지체. 야, 드네 마르셀로나인다. 도지체 니콜레라. 마르셀로나 다시 달라이. 타타 케랑키 포쿠 카파르 요레.
Tata nie pół Starbucks'la
알레. 라슬라소. 타타 케랑키 포쿠 노트 코리아라 요 마르베.
mare nie pół Kuriala mare
요 마레. 응?
ye mare
Like this. 야구둑. 오케이. 니 타타 케랑키 가르치기.
Tata nie Bweke John Kie
That's it. 야, 다 딜로탕. 마르셀로라.
Tata nie troppo Jakarla ire
지왈라.
Tata Keranki troppo kapariere
That's it. 야골랍송. 아니, 디?
Shimidi Ganki Nanladuk Shimidi kaparduk
That's it. 오케이, 마르셀로라. 딕송. 오케이. 야골랍송. 도대체. 얘네야, 엔 클레르라인다. 엔 클레르라.
다시 대
다시 델렉 엔 클레르라. 딜로로난.
냐 sorry. 냐 텐진yen.
지왈랍탄. 지와.
Shiva?
Question. Can you make question out of this?
Oh, okay, sorry. Kirang Suyin.
That's it.
Can you say Kirang Ki Ming Tenzin Ripi?
That's it. Why not? That's it.
Okay.
Very good. Yeah. Tine dilo.
Okay. Nga Perneyin.
That's it.
Kirang Kaparneyin Pe.
That's it. Or just say Kane. Kaparne is full form. You can just say Kane. Okay?
Kaneyin Pe.
That's it. No, you don't have to say Pe. If you say Kane.
Kaneyin.
Question. Ruwa. Agos, no?
Yeah.
That's it.
Agoson. Yeah,
Yagola.
Agoson.
Tine dilo tan.
Ye Trupeming Nimare.
Yago. Ani?
Kirang Ki Trupeming Karere.
That's it. Peyago. And clever. Yagola. Tine di.
Di. Kong Ki Trupeming Tashire.
That's it.
Sorry, I wrote this down. Okay, Trupeming Tashire.
Kiranki tropeming karere.
계란키 말해. 콩키. We are talking about third person.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay.
콩키 trope.
Konki tropeming karere. Tashire. Konki.
Uh-huh.
Sorry. So, yeah, this was okay. Konki tropeming karere.
That's it.
Yeah.
Finish?
Pera yak mangpu yere.
That's it.
Pera yak yerepe.
That's it.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Nyala tep mangpu ye.
That's it.
Keranki tep mangpu yepe. Sorry. Keranki tep mangpu
계란키 말해. 계란라. 양결.
kerang. Aha. Kerang la tep mangpu yepe. Yepe.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. You pay. That's it. That's the gesture. Very good.
Okay.
Hmm.
Mhm. Tada nie trokpo gyakarla yere.
That's it.
Kiranki trokpo tada kapar yere.
That's it. 계란키 토포 바다 가파리에. Like this.
Mhm. Kong nimare,
That's it.
kong sure.
That's it. Very, very good.
Nyala nyuku nyuku me kirangla nyuku yepe.
That's it.
Yeah. Shimidi gamki ngangladuk shimidi kaparduk. Kaparduke or just kaparduk?
Because kapar is already questioned, you know. Okay.
Okay. Agoson.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
tada yakarlaye
Uh-huh.
kerang kaparyere.
That's it.
Pe.
가파리에. Or kerang tata 가파리에. Like this.
Okay, kerang tada kaparye.
And clearly, Yakulapson. Very good. Tujiche.
Okay.
Okay, dine Celia la inda. Celia la Tashi de Lake.
Shideli.
Tashi de Lake. Yeah, Dilorona.
Okay. Konki tropi min chashire.
Uh-huh.
Konki tropi min karire.
Fail. Any? D?
Tata ni tropo jaka la yure.
That's it.
Tata ni tropo kapa yure.
Dimason, Yanker Laptang, Celia la. Yanker Laptang. Yanker Songtang. Let's try again. Yanker Songtang.
Okay. Tata ni tropo yakar la yure.
Uh-huh.
Tata ni tropo kapa juripe. No, jury.
Yuri.
Jury.
Very good. Tadi ngi marda. Tada keranki tropo kapar yuri. like this. Agoswa, okay? Nandi gyakar laba gyakar agoswa silia.
Yak.
Gyakar gyakar ra khata ga yata gya kha ra khar gyakar.
Okay. Yakar.
Gyakar. Tata nge chokpo gyakar la yure. Tata kerang ki chokpo kapar yure. Like this. Agoswa. Oh yeah. Tene dilorochi siliala.
Shimi. Shimi di. Gam ki. Gam ki. Nang la du.
That's it.
Shimi di. Shimi di kapar du.
That's it. Shimidi kapardu. That's it.
Tata nga jakar la yue. Tata chirang kapa yue.
That's it. Kapar you. Akosong. Okay, okay. Yeah. Try this accent also. Akosong kya. Ka. Yata kya. Kya. Cha mare. Ka yata kya re. Di cha re. Dini dradang chikpa mare. Akosong. Okay? Di ka yata kya re. Di cha re. Di ka yata kya drengbo ke ta ke re. Di cha drengbo che ta che re. Dingi chikpa ma re. Agoswa. Walas. Tujiche. Tujiche silia la. Tujiche. Pea wulapsong.
继续写。
Walaso. Taya inda. Wangmula inda. Wangmula. Rashi dele wangmula. Dilo ta.
Tanda kya gala ye. Tanda kalang kabaye.
Pea.
Shimi di kam ki nang la du. Shimi di kabadu.
Pea. Yeah. Dilo ta.
Tanda nge chopo kya gala yere. Tanda kalang ki chopo kaba yere.
That's it. Yagulapsong. Yeah, ni di chigloro na.
Hela yak mangbo yere. Hela yak mangbo du.
Tiwa.
Hela yak mangbo yere be.
Oh, that's it. Or pela yak yuripe. Anything. Agosuma. Peo.
Hakaso.
Tujiche wamula yagulapsong.
Tujiche.
Tujiche. Yeah, dine darala inda. Darala. Darala.
Yeah, la.
Yeah, inda. Diloro na.
Ge chokpo ming. Chokpo ming.
Ya kikuni.
Ni re.
Nima re.
Nima, yeah, Nima, the name, yes, Nima, okay. Nge chokpo ming Nima re, okay. Kerang chokpo ming kare re.
Very good. Ine kiche son ki. Kerang ki. Chokpe ming karere. That's it.
Yeah.
Yankar suntan.
Kerang ki chokpo ming kare re.
That's it. Yeah. Dine diloro na. Darala.
Kong ki chokpo ming dashi re.
Yeah.
Kong ki chokpo ming kare re.
That's it. Darala.
Yeah. La.
Kerang ki chokme ming karere.
yeah. Kerang ki tropo ming tashire.
Ale, yours. Keranki chokpe min karire.
Ah,
Chokpe min karire.
karire. Not kanire, na karire. Oh, nga ki tropo ming nipare.
That's it. Nga ki or nge. You can say nge.
Nghe, okay. Nghe ki tropo ming nipare.
That's it. Olas. Yeah, dilo thang tene.
Hố lá yak mang phố re. Phố lá yak yorepe or mang phố yorepe.
That's it. Po marda. Pö.
Ngữ phiếu là yak mang phố yorepe.
That's it. Very good try. Tarala inda. Yanke inda.
Ngã là thép mang phố yo. Khi lắng là thép yope or mang phố yope.
That's it. Yagulas. Tene
Thata nghe tropo yakher là yore. Thata kerang ki tropo kapar yore.
that's it. Very good. Well. Tene di.
Shimi di gam ki ngang la dung. Shimi di kapar dung.
That's it. Tene di lo thang.
Thép di không khí re. Thép di su re.
No, su marda. Su.
Su, yeah, with the ku, yeah.
Hakosama. Okay.
Yeah,
That's it.
thép di su re.
That's it. Yagulas. Tene di lo thang.
Hata la yakher la yo. Hata kerang kapar yo.
That's it. Very good. Well. Kujiche tarala.
Tukju che.
Kujiche. Tene ya. Yen hong la tashi dele.
这西特雷点进来，
Yen hong la tepo imbe.
拿的播音，
Ale. Tata keranki amala kapar yure.
他打你阿玛拉康贝囊拉约人，
Ale. Ni keranki chokpo tata kapar yure.
他打你出波台北拉约人，
Ale. Taipei la yak yure pe.
台北拉亚约嘛人，
Ale. Pachu yure pe.
白秋约嘛人，
Ale. Pachu yang yu mar pe.
人约人，白秋阳约嘛人，
Kapar disi re.
卡巴迪克朗基人，
Kapar thi Marcelo ki mar pe.
嘛人，卡巴迪马西罗，马西罗拉约嘛人，卡巴迪，诶。
Marcelo la ki mar pe.
마셀로 키
Huh?
마레
Huh?
카바디 케랑키레
That's it. Yago love song. Tujiche. That's it.
두
Very
제체
good. Very Yago love song. That's it. Okay. Oh yeah. That's it. Now we will learn. Oh, before in the lesson, I introduce you Kiduk, right? Kiduk, verb plus Kiduk. Ruba. Okay. Oh yeah. Fair. Perna, Halak. Okay? Oh yeah. For example, Halak Sakiduk. When you say, you can say Kiduk, Kiduk, Kiduk. When you write down, you have to write down according to the grammar. So it will be sometimes Yiduk, sometimes Kiduk, sometimes Kiduk, like this. Okay? They all meant same. Okay?
Ako masong. Oh, so what is the difference? Why ki and then why yi?
Okay. That because we have to look for the, we know that there are 5 particles like this, and they go after the, depend on the suffix. Okay? That's why they are different like this. It could be these 5 letters, okay? Ki, yi. It could be any 5 of these. So this ki represent all these also. Okay? Right now, if we know kiduk is present tense with direct perception, just like you looking from binocular and looking at people and seeing what they are doing. Okay? Okay? Oh yeah. Tade, kalak sakiduk, pizza sakiduk. Pizza sakiduk, momo sakiduk. When you are speaking, you can say kiduk, 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 no problem. When you write down, we have to write down according to the suffix that we will learn in the A1. When we start A1. Right now, just introducing. Okay? Kiduk, kiduk, kalak sakiduk, mogmo sakiduk, kalak food re. Sa, kalak sakiduk, mogmo sakiduk, pizza sakiduk, pasta sakiduk, paklep sakiduk. Oh yeah. Paklep tang mar sakiduk. We know paklep mar paklep tang mar sakiduk. Like this. Oh yeah. Tadine de dichure chutung. Chutung. Tade chutungiduk. Oh, chutungiduk. Oh, kalak sakiduk. Oh, pasta sakiduk. Like this. 추퉁. 하고 있으면 추퉁. 주스퉁. 음. 그리고 펩시퉁, 콕퉁, 주스퉁, 창퉁, 비어퉁, 와인퉁. 음. 하고 있으면 오케이. 따디네 록바치 따디 help 네 help in verb 하고 있으면 록바치
What is that? Rokpache. What does it mean?
help래 help
Help.
음
H-E-L-P.
really help치
Okay.
록바치 기둑 록바치 기둑 록바치 기둑 like this okay yeah.
So this kiduk and all that, you mean we will automatically learn it after some time using it, or there is a rule and regulation there?
Yes, there is a rule, and I will go detail later.
Oh.
Right now, just say kidu, no problem. Okay?
Hakosong, kiduk, okay.
Kalak sakiduk, chutung kiduk, ropa chekiduk, like this. Okay? Then the question for this will be kare chekiduk, like this. You can repeat after me. Kare chekiduk. That's it. Kora japkiduk. Making round. When people go to temple, make round, or to the stupa, they make round. The kora gap. Okay. Then gom jab, yeah. Gom jab. Then gom jab labna meditation che labhi. Gom jab kiduk. That's it. Okay. Oh yeah. Now we know question. Karichekiduk. Kalaksa Shuthungiduk. Ropachekiduk. Kora Gyapkiduk. Kom Gyapkiduk. Yes. Kom Gyap. Agosuma.
Rintila gom is what? Cushion, huh? If I remember.
Generally translated as meditation. Okay. like this.
Not the cushion that we sit down on.
No.
Okay. So meditation. Okay. Yeah.
Meditate. Sorry. Gom gyap.
Okay.
Meditate.
Meditate. Okay. Tungkyushe.
That's it. Generally translated as verb meditate. Okay. But this word is opposite of habit. Gom is opposite of habit. When you are habit, you are not aware. You are. Okay, that's it. I don't know the meaning of meditate like this, but I know this word. This word has some awareness to it. It's not like a habit or character, opposite of habit. That's it.
So just like the word gomde, yeah?
That's it. Gomde, sadada dadingbo de.
Yeah, gomde. Yeah.
Sacha, chikpar. Meditation place.
Yeah, gomde. Yeah.
Like this. Gomde. Right. Gom gyapkiduk. Gom gyapkiduk. We have to know that kiduk, hiduk. We use this when it's moment. Gom gyapkiduk. Kalaksa chutungkiduk. Like this. Okay? Like this. Yeah, Sonyala in the Sonyala. Sonyala, 가르치기도.
Kerang Chutongiduk.
That's it. No need to say Keran right now. Okay? Just say Chutungiduk. That's it. Then I will add this later. How to add person, action, doer with the particle. There is special particle for that. Okay? Right now, just say the action word. Chutungiduk. That's it. Okay? That's it. Yahudu. Yeah, dine en clearla inda. En clearla. En clearla. 가르치기.
Kalaksa Kiduk.
That's it. Kalaksa kiduk. That's it. Agosunga. Okay? Yahudu. That dine ya. Nurmala inda. Nurmala.
La.
Nurmala. 가르치기도. 뚜뚜뚜뚜뚜.
Karpajekitu.
Very good. That's it. It has a special word. Very good. Kapar che mare. Kapar tong.
Tongkitu.
That's it. Tong. Like that.
Karpatongkitu.
That's it. Kapar tong kitu. Oh yeah. Well. Very good. Yagulav song. Okay. Yeah, Tharala inda.
La.
가르치기도.
So chikidu.
가르치기도.
No? Or what is that? You're pointing to your teeth, right?
No.
No. Okay. So what are you doing? Oh, you're pointing your finger to keep silent? Mm.
Okay, let's say I'm meditating. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Ah, okay. If you're meditating, then yeah, then it is gom yapid kiduk. Gom yapiduk.
That's it. Gom japkiduk. Gom japkiduk.
Mm.
How would you say
That
that?
that doesn't mean that you're meditating by that, in that pointing like that.
That's true. That's very true. But what to
Mm.
do? I have to come up with some image.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Oh, then please learn how to say the question word also. Kare
Gom
chekidu.
yapkiduk.
Kare chekidu.
Hari chikiduk. Yeah. Huh? Mm.
Or
Hari chikiduk. Okay. Gom yapkiduk.
if you wanna ask, you can also say kare sakiduk.
Ah, kare sakiduk. So what
Kare
does it say?
sakiduk. Hmm?
Ah, okay. Yeah, okay. Kare sakiduk. Okay.
Kare tunkiduk.
Kare tunkiduk. Okay. Mm. Kare kare wine tunkiduk. Okay. Yeah. Kare coke tunkiduk. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Kare.
Kare is question. Kare chekiduk.
Okay.
Kare
Okay.
chekiduk. What?
Kong.
Hmm?
Kong. So I should say you, no? You.
No. Don't
So
use
Lia nga. I should say nga, right?
no subject right now. No subject.
Okay, no subject. Okay. So just answer the word, okay? Yeah, okay. Shu tung kiduk or wine tung kiduk or coke chung kiduk.
That's it. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
So that kiduk is present tense but direct experience. Present tense with direct experience.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Hakosung.
Like this. Very good.
Mm.
Chutungiduk. Now Karichekiduk. Oh, Chutungiduk. Kalasakiduk. Ropachekiduk.
Kalasakiduk.
Oragyapkiduk. Gomgyapkiduk. Kapartongkiduk. That's
Kapar tung kiduk. Okay.
give you
Yeah.
a little bit more.
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm.
No.
So kapar tong means making call,
That's it.
right? Or using mobile.
That's it. Temuta, Netflix ta. Temuta, Netflix ta. Titanic ta. Agosma, News ta. Anything. Stand up show ta. Ta. Agosma, ta.
What is demo?
Temo show or movie or film.
So it's temota means like what are you watching?
There is no question here.
I know, but it means that, huh?
Temuta is verb, watch show. Kiduk is present tense.
What
with
are you?
direct
Okay,
answer.
yeah. What you're watching? Okay. I see. Okay. Do you say?
Hmm?
So
Temuta
this I have now. This is watching. This more. This is what?
Temota.
Demota.
La ta te. Ma narumo. La ta. Temota. Watch show. Temo, show, noun. Ta is the action, watch. Watch, it's watch, not see. Okay, don't
And
come.
demo is a show.
Where? Show, or a movie, or film, or film.
Film. Okay.
Anything.
Mhm.
My English not that good, okay? Temota, 하고서 like this. Okay, then we know 가르치기도, 가르사기도, 가르따기도, 가르따기도, Titanic 따기도. 하고서 oh yeah, 가르사기도, pizza 사기도, 가르통기도, 추통기도. Like this. 가르치기도, 록바치기도, 가르치기도, 곰 잡기도, 가르치기도, 가발 똥기도. Okay? Now, situation when to use kidu is, for example, like you are watching through binocular or you are walking on the street, on the side, you see people doing things. Direct perception, direct experience. Okay? Like this. That's why I use this. Oh, like this. Oh, pizza sakidu. Oh, chutungidu. Like this. Okay? That's it. Then learn to ask this question also. Kari chekidu, kari sakidu, kari tunkidu. When you speak, you can use kidu, kalasakidu, chutunkidu. But when you write down, you have to write down according to the suffix. Suffix, according to the suffix. Then how it is, we can learn it detail later. Which suffix, what particle.
Tenzin, can you give give a sentence on using table?
Okay, question will be, let's say, Kare
Table.
taiduk. Kare taiduk.
Kare taid. So no key there.
Yeah, this is key. Yakikuyi is kind of key here.
Oh, okay, you write down already. Okay, kare. Kare, okay, tai, yes. Kare taidu. Yeah.
What watching? That's right. Then
Okay.
Titanic.
Then the response will be suppose Titanic, okay? Titanic, Taidu.
That's it. Titanic Taidu, YouTube Taidu. Anything. Netflix.
Okay.
Like,
So it's just like simple plain question and answer without any details. Okay.
without any subject yet.
Yeah. Kare taki duk, okay. Taidu, not ki. Tai, right?
Yeah. But when you speak,
It's
you can say
tai, right? Ki. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Understood. Do you share?
Now question will be Kare chekidu, kare sakidu, kare thunkidu. Kare takidu. Like this. Then answer. Ako sunga kiduk, kiduk, kiduk. That's it. Okay? That's it. And we know today when we are using kiduk. Ako sunga when it's direct experience in the present tense. Ako sunga. Right? Okay? Oh yeah, that's it. Tene kiransu di jongro nang. Please practice this, how to ask the question, answer in short form. In the next lesson, then I will add the subject and the particle. Ako sunga. Okay? So today,
Ako sung.
thank you very much. Trashi Dalek. We all are doing well.
Tashi dile.
We will learn.
Tashi dile.
Tudeche.
Tugyoshe.
Che.
Trashi Dalek.
다시 전에 도지체.
Tashi dile. Jela jel yung.
Tela Jeyo. Tujiche, tujiche. That's it, that's it. Farewell.
Thank you. Good night, everyone.